Wait a minute. A Z28 as well. So, all right, guys, here we got here antares cam, and we have a ZL1 1LE. Things is sexy in person. Like, I'm normally against Canards, but this kind of turns me on here. Canards are actually sexy, and it's like 6 here. I gotta get them all. Like, it's in like, what is this Nightfall Gray color? I want to say. Like, man, this thing's nice. Anyway, we're here at Camarofest, and there's plenty of stuff going on. It's plenty of good cars out here, but you guys will see that. Pure great stuff.
All of them did the autocross and stuff together.
Oh, that's what that stuff on the side is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.